Hey, John Crestani here, and today we're going to go over another affiliate network. Very exciting. ClickBetter. Is this a good affiliate network opportunity or a bad affiliate opportunity? I'm going to show you exactly what this is, how to make money with this company, and I'm also going to be explaining some of the important terms that you'll need to know in order to get started in this business model of affiliate marketing. This is a business model where anybody from any country, anywhere in the world, even Morocco, even Nigeria, even Bangladesh and Pakistan, anywhere in the world, no matter what age you are, no matter if you have a bank account or whatever you have, you can get paid and make money working from home. All you need is a computer or a phone or something. I don't know where my phone is. And I'm going to be going over the terms. I'm going to be going over advanced terms as well. And I'm going to be walking you through the process as well as showing you inside this affiliate network exactly how to sign up, how to find products, and how to get started promoting them. So let's get into it. This is going to be a pretty exciting video. I'm going to go really fast. There's going to be a lot of stuff in this video. I'm going to take you from A to Z on how to make money. Exactly what you can do from just your computer. Let's get it. Hey there, John Crestani here, and I am coming from my, new home office. For those of you that don't know too much about me, my house burned down about a year and a half ago in a fire in Malibu. We're still rebuilding. We're just about to start breaking ground. It just takes a really long time for permits. We moved to a new rental house, bigger like office, whatever. I just got a little bigger office, but I'm going to be walking you through how to make money with the ClickBetter affiliate network here. And if you want to follow along, I have a bunch of affiliate networks that you can apply for. I'll be working off of this sheet right here. You can pause this video and go to this URL, johncrestani.com/networks. And if you want to join this affiliate network while we're watching, you can click right here, ClickBetter, or you can click all the way over on the right side. I suggest you actually sign up for all the affiliate networks, but let's talk about ClickBetter right now. So ClickBetter is an affiliate network that pays, you can earn up to 80% commissions, CPA payouts every single week. They will pay you. Now, if you check here, there is approval for this network, okay? You do need to apply and you need to be approved. But if you do what I say, and I'm gonna show you some resources of tips to getting approved, you can get started. You'll wanna make sure you go to this resource file right here. And if you're looking for tips on how to get approved, make sure you go right down here to the resources tab, and then you select this link, which is how to get accepted as an affiliate. And this will give you the best chances to get accepted as an affiliate. I also suggest you apply for every single affiliate network you can. Now, there are no excluded countries for this affiliate network, no matter where you are in the world. Even if I don't want to see don't tell me what country you're from. If you can be, don't ask me like, hey, I'm from Bangladesh, can I be accepted? I don't want to hear it. You're going to be blocked from my channel forever. That's like the filter I set up because I get those questions like 1,000 a day. Okay, there's no excluded countries. The number of offers, a lot of offers on this affiliate network. Let's see, there's 210 different products that you can sell and get links for and start making money from by promoting those links. And I'll go over exactly how much you can get paid and where to get the links in this affiliate network. Now, with this affiliate network, you'll see there is offer approval. So you will actually need to, you'll have to apply to the network, and then you'll have to apply for each individual offer. There aren't high ticket commissions. The highest ticket commission is $200. Okay, so that's the most you can make from one customer. But that's still not bad. The average commission on this network is around $40. Okay, so as opposed to networks like Amazon, which has been talked about a lot, and it's probably the biggest affiliate network. The average commission on Amazon is about 50 cents. So you'll be making a lot more money by promoting the products on this network. There isn't much support, tools, training, or community but there is zero cost to join, which is a benefit. Usually if you want to join a network that has a lot of tools and support and training and people you can like chat with, you're going to have to pay money. But you have this channel. So, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're new to this channel, type in new subscriber here. This is all I talk about, how to do affiliate marketing. Now, the way you can get paid is through check. They will send a check to whatever address you're from. The cash out limit is $50. So you need to make at least $50 for them to actually send you a check. And you can click the links over on this row to get started and go join ClickBetter. That'll take you to the right place. So let's get into it. So to sign up, you'll need to select affiliate sign up right here, because you are looking to promote products. You're not looking to host your own products. That would be a vendor, which actually takes us to some of our terminology, which I'll go over. So affiliate. What affiliate means is that you are an independent promoter of a product. Essentially, you are an independent salesperson. But the difference is you don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to pay for any advertising. You don't have to do anything. All you need to get is a link and post on the internet and get people to click on it and buy the product. Most salespeople actually have to talk to people or go outside their house. You don't have to do any of that. Vendor is the actual company that sells a product. About me, I have a program called the Super Affiliate System, which is a $1,000 training course. It's for those of people that have more money than they have time and are looking for a step-by-step way to make money online. My training course is, we've invested so much time and effort into it. It is amazing. I'm excited to say that it's probably the best training course on the internet based on all of the things we've done. It's insane. We have a certification program. We have a We have a forum. We have our own software, our automatic link posting tool. We have web hosting. When you join my program, you get a free domain, you get web hosting, you get landing pages. I can't even go into all of it. It's amazing, but I'm not here to sell that. You get an offer. The last thing, offer is the actual product you are selling. So let's say you're selling some sort of, smoothie or something. This would be the offer. Okay, and we'll go into that in a little bit. Now, once you join ClickBetter, you'll come on a dashboard like this. Okay, you'll have a number of different selections here. You can enter in your payment info when you want to start receiving payments. You can look at your paychecks, analytics. If you're a vendor, you have products and the marketplace. This is where we're going to be going. This is also very important. Notice the top 10 products are listed right here. So if you're looking for the best product to promote, you can see the best product to promote is going to be this product right here, Cash Formula. Okay, and we'll focus on that product as we're talking about things. Now, over here on the Networks tab, I just clicked here. This is where we click to see the products. And what you see right here is we have all the products you can sell separated by categories. And here is the amount of money that you can expect to get paid from each product sale right here. $47 for this product, Easy Retired Millionaire. And here's the most popular product called Cash Formula, which you can expect to see about $37 each time you get a customer for it. Now, in order to promote your links, you will go over here to where it says promote. Now you'll click the promote button, and here is your link. Now you will just copy this, right? Copy right here, and you'll paste it wherever you can. You can't actually post on my YouTube channel. I've disabled links because we have so many affiliates trying to post links. But I would just post, like, hey, check out this product, right? And you can, on other people's YouTube channels, you can post a link. And right here, it'll show up, and here you have your affiliate link, etc. Now, if you're looking for more ways to actually get free traffic and start promoting things, you'll want to go to this file, which is johncristani.com/resource. You can pause the screen and go to this file. This will bring you to all of the free traffic methods that I've talked about so far, okay? What you could also do is you could go to my channel homepage and you can go scroll down to free traffic methods. This playlist right here, free traffic methods. I show you how to get free traffic from Instagram, from Facebook, from Google, how to make really quick money in one day online, free traffic from Twitter, from Quora, from texting, from Pinterest. There's a lot of different methods of you can get free traffic. What I suggest, there is no best. If you ask if there's a best method, That is scarcity mindset. That is poor mindset. And it may be a sign that you are not fit to be an entrepreneur, okay? You know, I could go on a whole video about this, but basically, if you're looking for the best, what the inference is that not everything works. And the inference is that if you don't do the best, then you're gonna fail. You need the best. But there's people on Pinterest. There's hundreds of millions of people on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Google. You don't need the best. All you need is one customer. Okay, there's 7 billion people out there. What you need to think about is you need one customer to make one commission. Once you make one commission, you focus on your second commission. Then you focus on your next ones. And you just keep doing that. Don't worry about best. Go through all the methods. Go through all of my videos. Try every single one. And if you don't make commissions within, whatever you deem as an acceptable time frame, just keep trying and keep figuring it out. Part of being an entrepreneur is being resourceful. If you aren't a resourceful person, if you aren't teachable, if you aren't able to learn and analyze why you may be making mistakes and not making money, then ultimately you probably should just be working a job. This will be very frustrating for you. So here we are, Easy Retired Millionaire. Now let's talk about some of the advanced terminology. Now this is a very useful page right here. We see JVURL, okay, JVURL. Now what does JV mean? Now this brings us to our advanced terms, which is JV. And what a JV is, what it actually stands for is joint venture. Affiliate and JV are often talked about as kind of the same thing. It's kind of two words for the same thing. JV is an affiliate. So the JV page is also sometimes called the affiliate page, etc. And the affiliate page or the JV page is a very useful place to get information on how to sell the product. So let's click this link and actually go to the JV page. Now it says, welcome affiliates. You know you're in the right place. They are going to give you information about how to sell this product, okay? And what you see here is they're telling you you can make almost $400 commission if people buy the front end product, that means the first product, and the upsells. So let's actually address this term too. What does front end mean? Front end product, that is the first product people would buy. Oftentimes in marketing, in order to make a product most appealing to affiliates and make you the most money, you might sell a little product on the front end. In my case, let's look at my JV page, right? So my initial product that I sell is my training course, which is $997 if you want a step-by-step thing. Now, for those of you based in like Bangladesh and like the Middle East and I don't know, other poor countries, well, the Middle East isn't all poor countries, but you know what I'm saying. Basically, I know you might be saying $1,000 is a lot of money. Well, if you have more time than money, then just learn for free and go through my 500 YouTube videos. If you have more money than time, buy my course. It's more step-by-step. We include software. We make everything easier. We give you landing pages. We give you everything we need. But it doesn't stop there, is because after I sell my initial product, because I'm so focused on making my affiliates the most money possible, and also myself the most money possible because I'm a greedy capitalist, right? I have another product after it. All good companies have more products after they sell the initial product. Every company does this. If you've ever bought product like, let's say a computer, they'll say, do you also want the insurance? Do you want the warranty? Do you want the policy? Our what's called upsell, okay, is $247 a month. And what that does is it gives you access to me. Okay, so the only way to actually get access, direct access to talk to me is if you go for the upsell, and then you get group coaching from me, and people love it. It's really fun. I enjoy it a lot. So you'll want to enter in your information right there. They also give you emails that you can send out. They give you email swipes. So if you have an email list, you can send out these swipes. And I recently did a video, if you want to check it out, how to build an email list for free. Okay, this is a really crazy video. By the time I post this video, the email list video may be taken down. I suggest you act on all of my traffic methods as fast as possible because some of these videos do get taken down from time to time because the methods I expose are so controversial, but they work very well. In this case, this is a pretty controversial method that I actually show there. You'll never see anything like it. I said your affiliate link. The other term that I was going to explain is rev share. Rev share is different from a CPA. Okay, these are the two payment models, rev share and CPA. CPA means you get paid per action. So maybe you just get paid $50. That's not how you're getting paid here. In this case, you're getting paid 75%, see rev share, 75% of whatever people end up spending in this funnel. And that's why this JV page is relevant, because they're saying you can earn as much as $398 from a rev share, which if we did the math, $398.25 divided by 0.75, which is the commission rate you get, that means throughout the total funnel, one click can end up purchasing $531 worth of product or training or what. You can earn 75% of that. So one click, one customer can get you $400. And if you can do that every day, then you become very wealthy. And this is the page it goes to, where my affiliate link goes to. Expose free video, this will change your life, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, they're charging money for people to get access to the training that you're getting for free. So actually, I would say congratulations to you for knowing about my channel. Not many people do. And you're getting information for free that many other people pay a lot of money for. Now, overall, I would say ClickBetter is a great affiliate network.